Morning guys, so this is where we left off yesterday. We're just going to put some pieces in here and then come out to about here somewhere and then do a nice, like some kind of curve from there. So I've already took these up because that were like a triangle, and then we'll get it curving round. So yeah, the banks didn't break last night on the river, but yeah, was pretty cool, that, didn't it? And a pond with a fire pit in the middle. But yeah, so right, yeah, so we're gonna get marked out and we'll crack on with this. So I've just put one there and there, and then we're setting this line out and just sort of curving line. Slight curve on line. Hopefully that'll look good. So just pencil line these three. We're going to cut these and then we'll see what it looks like. See if it matches in okay. So we've got a few of these down. We've got a circular drain which we're just going to lift this up to height of that, but I can't because it's got, if you tap here, it's big metal square plate that goes right back to here, so I can't lift it all up. So I've ended up going out and I bought a square one which should be easier to fit anyway, so should work out a bit better. And we'll put that like that. Have a nice square lid. So we'll do that. We'll crack on with that. That's it. Top should go on that nicely. Can't lay any flags today because it's snowing a bit, but that's what we got done. So that's looking quite nice. I've got to finish this little chamfer off. I've done a bit over there where this is. But it's snowing now, so now we can see it on camera. So we're just taking this edge out for now, for today, and then we'll, because this is on a fence there, and then we've got to put these flags there. We've done it square, but we are gonna curve it to match other side. I've gone blurred now. So that's going to be it for the flagging videos. I'll probably do a quick run round it or something when we get it all finished or whatever. But this is the next job, and I am really getting excited to do this one. It's at Oak Carport. We've got a little draining way at the minute, like, I don't know, it's a cess tank that, so we're going to have to make sure we miss that. But we'll be putting it on some brick pillars, and it's a big old carport, so I'm really looking forward to that job, guys. It's probably going to come to just the edge of the arch. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.